our souls in all we are. Dwells God, eternal God, self-giving God, all-powerful love, more than we ever know or may believe. The truth remains that deep within us dwells God.
From your brothers, happy birthday. 28, 38. 28 na. This is indeed super special because you spend your birthday on your 30th day. No? And also in monthly recollection and fasting day. But we express our unity for your Thanksgiving. This one, kindly with all the friars with their signature. Okay. There. Yeah. The relics is there, okay? That's yeah. See? And then in your quiet moment, you can read the reflections there, okay? So, and then also, Father General has a message to you. Father General Miguel, this is so special, no? It's a book, actually, no? His message to you on your birthday. To you all honor and all glory. Okay? This is the new book, okay? Just recently published by the Carmel Davao. So for you, on your blessed birthday. From Father General, ha? Okay. And then also I give you to share the joy of the birthday of Brother Leroy, Brother Jose Hermit, Brother Paul Hermit, Brother Jordan Hermit, Brother Austin Hermit, and Brother Gerardo Hermit. Okay. So those are, it's a beautiful book. I used that during my birthday retreat. Simple but very impactful. Okay. So all the best, no? Simple but and then like the sunflower, okay, that follows the movement of the sun. Okay, imagine that's the only sunflower. We stole that in the garden of Father Michael, who is arriving tomorrow. Okay, so receive that sunflower. Okay, so and unity of love, prayers, and joy, no? For okay? So, mabuhay. So, let's have a group picture here. Here with there with the cross, okay? Okay. And then I think, yeah. We will have a big celebration on Sunday on your Sabbath day, okay? Big celebration because birthdays of birthdays also of Ma'am Tess, Tatay Jose, Tita Empro, and we will invite also Irene. Irene did not attend the Via Crucis, no? Okay. Okay, smile, hermits with your skinhead. Okay. You stand, all of you. It's not okay. You stand, okay? Happy birthday, 38th birthday. 28, okay. 1, 2, 3. Jose, kindly, yeah. You go with the birthday boy. Okay. Because Jesus is covered, okay? Okay. Jesus is our all. Todo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The hermits. Kindly put down your the book. Ayan, okay? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, perfectamente. Okay. Kindly blow the candle. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Laudato si. Mabuhay. Perfectamente. All the best, ha? Okay. Thank you. God is so good.